Today, we'll show you how to install your Britax convertible car seat forward-facing using the lower anchor connectors. You can use these instructions for Marathon ClickTight, Boulevard ClickTight, and Advocate ClickTight seats. Place the seat forward-facing on the vehicle seat. Remove lower connectors from storage compartment at the rear of the seat and pull to full length toward the child's left side. Remove tether from storage compartment and retainer tabs. Place it up and over the child's seat back. Now, you'll need to adjust the recline angle. Pull the recline handle and rotate the seat shell until the recline indicator ball is in the correct position for forward facing. If you have difficulty achieving the proper angle, refer to your user guide. Be sure the base of the seat is flat on the vehicle seat. To open the seat, press the dimple on the ClickTight dial. Rotate the dial clockwise and lift up to open. Slide lower connector strap through forward-facing paths. Firmly press lower connectors over their adjacent lower anchors. Be sure connector strap is not twisted. Pull end of lower connector strap to remove slack. Close the seat and listen for a click to confirm it's secure. Attach tether to designated anchor. The seat should not move more than an inch from side to side on the belt path.